Graco was founded in 1926 on a mission to develop customer solutions for performing grease lubrication on automobiles. Today, it is a worldwide leader in fluid handling. Headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota, Graco is home to 3 operating segments: contractor, industrial, and process. Combined, these 3 segments provide world-class solutions to pump, meter, mix, dispense, and spray a wide variety of fluids and coatings for countless markets around the world. Operating as a global company, Graco is supported by regional headquarter offices, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers to provide seamless operation to thousands of channel partners and end-user customers. Dedicated to providing leading technology that offers the highest customer value, Graco's investment in new product development far outpaces the industry average. In addition to robust research and development, Graco is committed to delivering world-class quality through our manufacturing facilities for each division. Graco invests tens of millions of dollars annually on state-of-the-art machining, assembly, and testing for its manufacturing processes, the building blocks to delivering products with proven quality and leading technology. It's the Graco way and has been key to our success for over 90 years.